Hi, in front of me is Honor 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, click on clock over here and tap on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on. Then click on this plus icon with add on it. And now you can set up an hour and click on repeat. Select days of the week by clicking on Monday to Friday, everyday or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to tap on this option and select days of the week manually. So I want to go, for example, with Mondays and Fridays. When you're done, tap on OK. Then choose ringtone by clicking on ringtone over here, selecting enable. And now you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back, or choose music over here and select music from your device by clicking on the song and tapping at the top right corner. If you want to select system ringtone, do the same. Now tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click label. Label your alarm however you wish to, click OK and save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!